Hey guys, Kevin here with Texas Veteran Power Outdoors. I'm going to show you how to measure the height of your deck blades by using this little tool right here, and we're starting right now. Okay, so we have our marking started with the saw. That's going to give us flush starting with 0. So we're going to finish cutting that off and then cut off here at the 5. Now we can go measure our blades after that. Okay, that should give us a flat surface to work with. Let's see how flat we're at. Get some of our clippings off here. So we might need to sand down just a little bit on one side. As you can see, it's a little bit high, not much. I'm not worried so much about the top part, but the bottom part we want to make sure it's flush. Now this deck is dropped all the way down, and all the way down is 1 3/4. Oh, I'm sorry, is 1 1/2. So we have a flat surface there. We're going to go ahead and take this guy right here, and we're going to put it right there. So let's see what that measures right here. We can get you guys in there. Alright, well, so we're looking at right here, the bottom of that tip. Well, that looks like 1 1/2 to me, and it should be registering 1 1/2. So we are 1 1/2. So let's go ahead and go up. We don't need to go each setting. Let's just jump up and do 2 inches and see where we're at there. Okay, we're setting at 2 inches on the machine. So let's look here. Look at that. Well, that's 2 inches. I'm starting to think the Z1 was a little not level as it should be. So I'm going to check 3 inches, and then let's go up from there. Alright, so that should be 3 inches. What do you guys got? Whoa, 3 inches. Okay. Well, I'm convinced that this guy has the proper height on it, that it's the Z1 that is a little out. So it looks like we need to make our adjustments on the Z1. So it looks like the F60Z is measuring good. So it's actually what it's supposed to be at. And I was thinking it was the Z1 that was out of balance, or sorry, it was the F60 that I thought was out of level, and it wasn't Z1, but it's the other way around. So this is a good little tool right here. If you can probably find one at a dollar store. Wooden maybe, or plastic is fine. You just cut off, what you need, what you don't need, and then this is a good tool. It stands up on its own. I think it's excellent. I know the deck is level because I checked the level with it the other day. And if the surface you're on is level and the deck is level, and you just measure this side, it'll be the same on the other side. Just saying. So, okay, so we'll check the Z1 later. Let's go ahead and check the deck and see what's going on with that guy.